I'm hella elevated, you're about to take a quick trip to the 6 where I rip flows. Cold wind blows, here we go. I live a livid life, I'm high as a dike. Shit, I meant kite, despite the fright I like. It's like I think of some crazy shit and just write it down. Just a beat and some words absurd. Don't take a turn for the worst, the curse I murk. I like rocking a 5950, bumping 50, keeping it sick when I be spitting. Girls be licking, clocks are ticking, product shipping. Now listen, yeah, I got my bros on the right and a chick on my left. I'm living life alright, unlike the rest. Now take a trip through my mind. I love to flirt with evil, she lurks, that's reasonable. I call my women evil because they spurt hurt, inject it like a needle in the
Kish Royal is back now for the second time. Now there is 3 of us, so why don't you all get in line? They say it's cold when you're at the top like me. You gotta work for all your shit and ain't nothing in here for free. I'll say it's been a while since you heard my last style. What do you mean, bro? This is coming out with a smile while you're bouncing your head like you can understand my shit. Just like the lightning bolt to the head, boy, you can get hit. It comes up fast just like the last time that you hear me spit. Why don't you continue to be a fag and go get lit? So it's KE Chadwick and then your boy Nick, bringing the game back to you just like it was Michael Vick. So why when you talk all I hear is all that bullshit? Keep talking that shit, my boys will come with the full clip, because it's WMV all the way to the top. We just keep it moving so fast they try and tell us to stop. Yeah, I know I'm cocky with all of the shit that I say, but if you don't like it, bring your crew over this way. We'll get it going and I'll show you dudes how we do. I'll strike your head just like it was a bowling pin or two, bitch.